Have you ever wondered why the universe throws challenges at us? What if the trials and tribulations we encounter are not merely obstacles, but stepping stones leading us to our true destiny? Take a moment to ponder over that. Now allow me to share a personal anecdote. A few years back, I found myself at a crossroads when I lost my job. The world seemed to crumble around me. It felt like a cruel joke, a setback that seemed impossible to bounce back from. But as I maneuvered through the labyrinth of uncertainty and hardship, I discovered a new side to myself. I found an inner strength I had never tapped into before. I realized I had talents that were previously unexplored. I started to see opportunities where others saw dead ends. This so-called setback, as harsh as it was, turned out to be a blessing in disguise. This experience taught me the true meaning of a blessing in disguise. It's not just a phrase we throw around casually. It's a testament to human resilience, adaptability, and the transformative power of perspective. Just like a caterpillar endures a period of intense struggle during its metamorphosis into a butterfly, we too can turn our adversities into opportunities for growth. The obstacles we face aren't there to break us, but to forge us into stronger, more resilient beings. So when life throws a curveball your way, remember, it could be the universe's way of nudging you towards a path you were meant to tread. It's an invitation to discover your potential and uncover the blessing hidden in what appears to be a setback. In summary, we've explored the profound concept of a blessing in disguise. We've seen how seemingly insurmountable challenges can, in fact, lead to unexpected opportunities. We've learned that resilience and adaptability are key to turning adversity into advantage. So the next time you find yourself in the face of adversity, remember, it might just be a blessing in disguise. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and stay open to the possibilities that await. Thank you for being with us today. Do share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, remember to look for the blessings in disguise and keep shining your light. And that's a wrap.